How much time I got? Alright, what's going on? We got a 3-boxer here. 2010, 11, and 12. Crown. Football. Good luck, everybody. I just went over the teams, so I'm not going to do it again. But, anyway, good luck, guys. We'll start with, no problem. I've got it recorded. Actually, I have a backup running, too, in case the blog wants to get funny on me. Is the backup recording? Yeah, it's recording. Alright, guys. Pats for Lions. RG. And Squaw. You guys want to work that out real quick? Or actually, that's my fault. Packer Bob has the Pats. I'm sorry. Checklist. Hopefully we don't need that. Open slowly in case you guys want to do that trade. Alright, guys, we're going to have 12 total hits here. Yeah, my fault, Squad. I was assuming you had... I just always assume. Phillip Rivers. Base. Slide this up. Anthony Dixon, rookie, Niners. Aurelius Ben, Bucks, rookie royalty. Carson Palmer. For the Bengals, cards will go to the uniform. Steve Smith, Panthers. Rivers again. First hit, good luck, guys. Kings of the NFL. Oh, it's a King of the NFL auto. Could be good news. Mr. White, 2-color. For the Falcons. Kings of the NFL. Corner is a little bit bent. It's not bad. But got a 2-color prime. Roddy White. Should be 15. Ooh, even better. Number to 10. 4 of 10. Nice. Good time to pull a Falcon, too. Nice hit there. And DDM. With the Roddy. Alright, Donnie Avery. Alright. Lanye Miller, rookie. Sorry. Let's get this right. Alright, Lanye Miller. Forrest Gregg for the Packers. Wes Welker, Kings of the NFL. These are not numbered. Miles Austin. Donnie Avery again. For the Browns, Packer Bob, I believe. Montario Hardesty. Also, short, number 6 of 25. Getting a lot of SPs tonight. And Packer Bob, yes, you had the Browns there. Ontario Hardesty. Alright, so that means these two are probably not going to be autos. Who knows, might get lucky. Alright, Lewis Murphy for the Raiders. Amari Spivey. Brandon Jacobs, green. Poosh. Cadillac, Lewis Murphy. Jason Witten, royalty. 1-color. 254 of 299. Cowboys. And Squalliver. Or Jacobs. Number to 10, 6 of 10. Brandon Jacobs. Alright, guys, last pack from 2010. You're cool, a hit. Always good to get one. Sergio Kendall. They still have him? Ravens. Another green, Jake Delhomme. 9 of 10. All-Pro Miles Austin. Die cut. Kinda. Reggie Wayne. Gates. Final from 2010. Good luck, guys. Rookie. Royalty of Damian Williams for the Titans. 21/299. Titans. And Adam H. On to 2011. Stevie Johnson. Marcel Darius. Rookie royalty. Tyler Sash. Peyton, Kings of the NFL, Colts. Not numbered. Don't think. Yep, not numbered. Alright, Jamal Charles. Stevie Johnson. And on to the hit. Be disgusting if this is an auto. And it's not. Sorry. I was hoping it was. Got a Calvin, Kings of the NFL jersey. 55 out of 299. Calvin Johnson. Lions. Second pack, 2011. Von Miller. Oh yeah, alright. Got a Crown Jewel auto in here. It's going to be short printed as well. Alright, we got a Tebow Majestic die cut. Not numbered. Dion Lewis for the Eagles. Braylon, the zone, not numbered. McNabb. That was Vaughn. Alright, good luck, guys. Auto should be pretty low numbered. 25 or less. And Vincent Brown for the Chargers. Number 7 of 10. Chargers. Oh, and they're an out team too. So that'll get randomed off between any of the hit list spots. Matt Schaub, calling all captains. Insert, not numbered. Brooks Reed, Texans. Patrick Willis, All-Pro. Ocho. Beanie. Auto. Julius Thomas for the Broncos. 440 of 499. Julius Thomas. Last pack of 2011. Calvin, parallel. Living Legend, Doug Williams, Skins. Marco Sampson. Marino, Royalty. Insert, not numbered. Brady. Calvin. Raheem Moore, another Bronco. So, Raheem Moore, 26 of 499. John's offering $3 on that Julius Thomas, I believe. Now you got a Raheem Moore he might offer on. So we had two Broncos hits there, Raheem Moore and Julius Thomas. Too bad that wasn't Vaughn. The Calvin, parallel 35 of 100. And was that it? That was it for 2011. All right. All right, guys, we are on to third box. $12 crown. Let's get something big, something big. Damn you, squaw. I might have one of those, Sean. I might. I know I've got 8.